Good evening, grade 3. How are you doing today? It's time for your English class, so kindly take out your phonics books. Thank you. Open page 97. Write down today's date, 28th of January 2021. Underline the lesson name, plural words. What do we mean by plural words? Plural words mean plural nouns. To change from singular case into plural case. To change from one to be more than one. You know, in English we have different rules or different cases to change from singular into plural. Today we're going to learn about just 3 of them. S, es, ies. When we add s, when we add es, when we add ies to the words. Let's start with the first rule. Add s. Most words in English, yes, needs the letter s at the end. This is the word years, year, years. Twin, twins. State and states. The word state ends with e here. So it is S-T-A-T-E and you have to add s at the end. One state, this means one country or a country. We have many different examples for the words with s in the plural form. Door, doors. Room, rooms. Bag, bags. Window, windows. House, houses. Phone, phones. Pencil, pencils. Girl, girls. And endless number of examples. The second rule, how to add es or when should we add es to the words. Basically, we need to add es to those words who end with those letters. The first, s, then double s, and ch, and of course, sh, and x and o. If you find any word end with those letters, you have to add es at the ends. Let's have some examples. Fox, yes. What is the end of the word fox? It's x. Then you add es, foxes. Tomato, tomato. Yes, we have o here. So it's gonna be tomatoes. Ash, ashes. Dress, dresses. We have double s. It's nonsense to add another s for the word dresses, so should it end with 3 letters or 3 s? No, it doesn't make any sense. Inch, inches. Bus, buses. Lunch, lunches. And bunch, bunches. This is the meaning of the word ash. Ash or ashes means all the dust you get after burning some wood. Bunch or bunches mean group of things, like group of flowers, bunches. So a bunch means a group, and ash or ashes mean all the dust or waste you get after burning trash or after burning wood or after burning anything. Now, how can we get IES at the end of the words? When we have words and they end with a consonant and the letter Y, what should we do? Yes, we drop, or we skip, or we delete the letter Y. Why? Because there is a consonant. There is a consonant before the letter Y. Daisy, daisy. We drop the Y, then we get IES at the end. Daisy is a kind of flowers. City, city. The same for the word city. We drop the Y. It's gonna be cities. Pony, we drop the Y. Look at what is before Y. We have N, we have T in the word city, we have S in the word daisy. Pony, ponies. Fly, flies. Fly is an insect. And cherry, cherries. This is daisy. Those are daisies flowers. And cherries, of course, fruit. Cherries are a kind of fruit. So what about when the word ends with a vowel and Y? What should we do here? Should we drop the Y too, or it's a different case? Of course, it's different. We keep the Y. We don't drop the Y here. We keep the Y in the word. The word tray, it ends with AW. There is a vowel before the Y. It's going to be trays. You just need to add S. This is a tray. This is the tray. Yes. We always use it to present or serve food, coffee, or tea. Yes, you put your coffee or your drinks on tray to serve it for people. Boy, boys, it ends with OY. Toy, toys, the same for the word boy. And the last word is alley, alleys. Alley is a narrow street behind the houses. Alleys are narrow streets behind the houses. That was our words for today. So it's time to practice in our book. Well, let's read the words again. Years, twins, years, twins, trays, states, ashes, foxes, inches. Inches, like if you're using rulers or meters to measure stuff, so you can use it's a unit for measurement. Flies, cities, ponies, bunches, alleys, lunches, cherries, and daisies. Those are the new words for today. Fold your page, listen to the words, try to write each word in a correct spelling. Well, let's go to page 97. Write the missing letters in each word. Are you ready? Well, number 1, who can guess what is this word? Fla? Fla? Yes, flies. I-E-S. We have 3 spaces. This means I-E-S here. And then write the word again on the line. Flies. Number 2, bunch. Yes, we add E and S because bunch ends with CH. Right? Bunches. Twins. Write S. Twins. Fox. Foxes. E and S. You can write down all the words after you finish writing the missing letters. Cherries. Cherries. I. E and S. Lunch, lunches, E and S. Daisy, daisies. Should we write Y here? No, I, E and S. Perfect. Let's go down. Number 8, tray, trays, Y and S. Pony, ponies, I, E, and S at the end. Alleys, alleys, E, then Y, then S. Perfect work. Inches, E and S. Cities, I, E, N, S. Do you remember how to write the singular form of the word cities? Yes, it's city, C-I-T-N-Y. Ashes, E, S. Years, you have S here. States, E, N, S. The word state mainly ends state. This is end with E, just one state. To change it to make it in plural, you just need to add S. Page 89, 98. Write the spelling words that contain the plural endings. The first group, what are the words that add S or end with S here? Excellent. Years. Years. What else? Twins. Excellent. What else? Trays. Then states. States. And alleys. Y and S. Second group, this group that we need to add ES at the end. Bunches. That's great. Number 7, foxes. Number 8, ashes. Number 9, inches. And the last one, lunches. Perfect. Great job. The last part. When should we change the Y to I and then add IES? Yeah. Cherries. Cherry. Should we keep the Y? No. We drop it, then we add IES. Next. Ponies. And flies. Then number 14, daisies. And 15, cities. Thank you. That's a great job. Compare the words alleys and ponies. How are they alike? How are they different? We have two words here. The words alleys and the word ponies. How they are alike, how they are different. They are alike because both of them, yes, in the plural. Both of the words are in plural. Then how they're different now? The word alley has, yes, Y in the singular form or end with Y, ends with Y, a vowel and Y, a vowel and Y in the singular form. So it will end with YS in the plural. What about the word ponies? It ends with a consonant and Y in the singular, so it will end with IES in the plural. This is the difference between the two words. Well, this is page 100. Write a spelling word that goes with the order. Yes, with the other two words. We have here a group of words. Let us choose the word that fits the words here. Apples and grapes. Yes, what is the name of the fruit that you learned today? Cherries. Towns, villages. They are places, yes, cities. Bears and wolves, those are wild animals. So the word that will fit is foxes. Puppies and calves. Yes, ponies. This is the cubs or baby animals like puppies, calves, and ponies. Days, month, and years. Years. Roses, tulips, those are kind of flowers we add here. Daisies. I-E-S. Let's complete the sentences down. Number 7. Small streets behind buildings are called. Excellent. Alleys. Alleys. The waiters brought our food to us on large trays. There are 50 in the United States. 50 what? The answer is included in the line here. 50 states. Number 10. Tiny insects called that can buzz through the air. What is the name of the insect that you learned in today's lesson? Flies. After the campfire is out, we pour water on the ashes. 12. Students may buy there at school or bring them from home. What you buy from school? Lunches. 13. Groups of something like groups of flowers are often called bunches. 14. This ruler shows that there are 12 inches. It's a unit of measurement in 1 foot. A brother and sister who are twins are similar in many ways. That's great. The last part in our class today. There are 6 spelling mistakes in the paragraphs below. Underline the misspelled words and then write the words correctly on the lines. Let's read and circle the mistakes. Pam and Tam are 8 years old. They are also twins. The word twins is not correct here. Who look exactly alike, but Pam and Tam like different things. Pam's favorite fruit is cherries. We have another spelling mistake. But Tam likes apples the best. Pam likes insects such as bees, flies, and moths. Flies is a mistake. She also likes birds, especially the big crows that make such noise. Tam likes working in her flower garden. She grows roses, lilies, and daisies. Daisies is misspelled. She doesn't like the crows that fly down and nip at her colorful flowers. One day Pam had a good idea. She made a scarecrow. It was 30 inches tall. Inches. She placed him on a pole in the garden. The crows never bothered Tam's flower again. Let's read again. Pam and Tam are 8 years old. They are also twins who look exactly alike. But Pam and Tam like different things. Pam's favorite fruit is cherries, but Tam likes apples the best. Pam likes insects such as bees, flies, and moths. She also likes birds, especially the big crows that make such noise. Tam likes working in her flower garden. She grows roses, lilies, and daisies. She doesn't like the crows that fly down and nib at her colorful flowers. One day, Pam had a good idea. She made a scarecrow. It was 30 inches tall. She placed him in a pole in the garden. The crows never bothered Tam's flowers again. So you can write the spelling or the correct spelling by yourself. Then you have to write a paragraph. Write a story about a character who solves a problem. You can imagine this character can be real or from your imagination. Think about the problem that the character fixed or solved. Use at least 4 spelling words from the lesson you learned today. We finish our class for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you next week.